Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, March 22, 2021. Today's video is about Abolhassan Banisadr. Abolhassan Banisadr, born the 22nd of March 1933, is an Iranian politician. He was the first president of Iran after the 1979 Iranian Revolution abolished the Pahlavi dynasty, serving from the 4th of February 1980 until his impeachment by the Islamic Consultative Assembly, the Iranian parliament, on the 20th of June 1981. Prior to his presidency, he was the Minister of Foreign Affairs in the interim government. Following Banisadr's exile in 1981, he has resided for many years in France, where he co-founded the National Council of Resistance of Iran. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.